fans, Rick. Please power the fans.
By looking at structures that were survived or partially damaged, we can look at the different aspects or attributes of the building, the surrounding environment, and connective fuels, and ultimately understand how the fire spread through a suburban neighborhood, and ultimately to understand different mitigations that matter, and correlate that back to the research that we've done here at the Research Center.
3, 2, 1, ignition.
My name is Lucas Faulkner. I'm the instrumentation technician here at IBHS, and my role with the ADUs is putting together all the instruments, putting them where they're supposed to go, and help designing the layout of them, and then making sure all that stuff runs smoothly. And so you have different windows that are in there that we're testing to see what the difference is in between the glasses that are on there, the framing around the windows, the different sidings on the target building, and then on the ADU, which is the part that actually burns, we're seeing what types of materials in there. Is there different types of material that burn slower, that burn faster? And we're trying to gather all this information.
This is more of a something that we must do rather than that something that we should do. We are getting to the point that, like eating, like exercising, this is like maintaining defensible space, using the right building material is something that we want to educate the public to know that this is something that we must do.